Alright, this next video I'm going to show you how to properly update the contact details. If you notice there are some headers here, I'm going to in the end delete all of those. I just don't like the way it looks. I'm going to start by properly putting my phone number. I'm going to delete what was already there. And then I'm going to delete this header. If you notice, the header and the text looks different. I'm not sure how they formatted this, but I want it to look like this. So I'm going to type over what they've already put there. I'm going to put Heather Wyndham at Gmail, and I'm going to delete the header. I also do not have a Twitter, so I'm going to delete that. And now I'm going to put my address. If you notice, there's two lines for your address line 1 and address line 2. Address line 1 is simply your street address, 15907 Darlington Gap. This is where you live, or where your mailbox is. I'm going to delete that to make sure that it goes back to the next line. It is city, state. We're not going to put the and sign and the zip code. So San Antonio, Texas, 78247. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete some of the space in here as well. So there's the contact information. Please make sure it's formatted correctly. Please make sure that you do not change any of the fonts, that the fonts all match, the sizes of the fonts match, etc.